I'm often contacted from people who are trying to, a spouse who's trying to help their immigrant spouse immigrate to the United States, but they're concerned about the criminal background that the immigrant spouse had. But they asked me, well, it happened, this multiple misdemeanors that happened were before the age of 18, is immigration still going to count them against her? Well, yes and no. Usually crimes under the age of 18 do not count as a conviction for immigration purposes. And especially if these crimes are adjudicated in the juvenile justice system, they don't count for purposes of a conviction. However, immigration can look at those crimes as on a discretionary basis in petitions that allow immigration to waive discretion, to weigh discretion, such as an adjustment of status or a green card application. So if you have a situation where you may have a crime that, even though it was under the age of 18, if it was above the age of 18, may have been considered an aggravated felony or a crime of violence or other deportable crime, you need to think twice about going ahead and applying under that premise that it's not going to count against her, because immigration can see that. Even though you say juvenile records may be sealed, immigration has access to those, and she still has to disclose those crimes under the age of 18. That may have an effect on the green card case, depending on the severity of the crime. I am an expert in complex family-based immigration cases and have a 98% approval rate for the past 12 years. I am a nationally published immigration author and frequent public speaker on immigration topics. I regularly train other immigration lawyers on complicated marriage and family immigration cases for the American Immigration Lawyers Association, Federal Bar Association, and National Legal Education Providers. I represent clients all over the U.S., traveling to immigration interviews and deportation proceedings. Visit our website, humanrightsattorney.com, for more in-depth information and articles on complex family immigration issues.